Hey guys, RoonPicker here from another lockpicking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Drunken Spelunker from Ravenstorm, and he made his out of a schlag. I think this is a SC1. Does it say on the key? It does not say on the key, but I think this might be a SC1. It doesn't look that big for a 6-pin. He engraved something on here, but I had no clue what that actually is. If you guys can see that on top of the Bible. But get the mummified key, so we're gonna put this in the vise and see if we can get it open today. And it looks like he ground off part of the keyway on here to make it more wide, but excuse me, I have a trick that may help us. That way we don't need as deep of a hook. So 50 thousandths looks like it'll work good. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use it, I'm just going to set it on the bottom here to raise the bottom essentially, so we can pick off the bottom of that tension, or the top of the tension rod, sorry. So let's get our two hooks out like we normally do, and we'll get to picking. See if we can get this open. We'll zoom in. Whoop, there we go. See if we can get this open today. False set, deeper false set. Is that open? No, that's a false set. Let's try it, I bet you. There we go. We got it open. It was that back pin that was holding this. I bet you there's a pin in here. That's my guess. Zoom out. There we go. I did have to provide manual counter rotation on that last pin. See, we are picked. Let's go ahead and get this open. Take a look at the key. This looks to be just a regular stock schlag key. No, it has good bidding for a stock key, but there's no, like, they didn't cut the key or anything, you know what I mean? So let's see if it works. It does work, no snagging whatsoever, perfectly smooth. So let's get our pinning tray out, get this stuff out of the way. I need this though. It has one of these back clips on here that or bars you gotta push down, sorry. I should invest in, they have these followers that you can just shove in here, it'll hold the clip down and you can unscrew it. You don't have to fight with it as much. Like I'm doing right now. There we go. Alright, that is off. Do that, and then let's get the shim out because we don't know what's on the inside. Follower. Ooh, that's interesting. So he walled out the top of pin 3. I wonder if there's a matched pin to that on. That's interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Very interesting. Don't know if this is his first lock, but it definitely did a good job for a first lock. It was pretty fun, actually. So, no threading, but he widened the hole and undercut it on chamber 2, 4, 5. Chamber 5. So that's what gave us that huge false set. Ooh, that's a nice looking spool. Don't want to have a problem like I did in the last lock I did. There we go. Now that is the smallest spool I have ever seen in my life. Alright, I'm going to take out this back. And that is a super thin spool. I'm surprised that hasn't sheared off yet. Alrighty. Awesome pin work, man. Alrighty, anything to the Bible. No work done to the Bible. So let's get the key in here, and I'll bring you guys over. You guys can take a look and see what he did. So you can see those super thin spools, and that really short one on driver pin 3. And then on this core here, you can see he like widened the hole and undercut it on chamber 5. But that's what was giving us that massive movement, was those thin spools in that chamber on 5. So great lock, very fun, would recommend it highly. If you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.